This is January 6th, 2025. We are heading to Cape Canaveral, Florida, but there is a storm, and MSC Meraviglia is riding through that storm. Some passengers said that the waves are up to 6 feet, some say 7, some say 12, but MSC Meraviglia is riding through that storm. It is not an easy time with this sailing, but the captain said we are moving on, and that's what we are doing. It is really bad at the moment. There are a lot of passengers who are seasick at the moment, and well, that's what we are doing now, riding it out. And this is an experience that you may have once in a lifetime. It's really bad. Lots of people are sick right now, and they have vomit bags all over the ship.